Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Sienna's hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, usually on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard, often above the emergency brake. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a click. This action will unlatch the hood, causing it to pop up slightly from the front of your vehicle. Now, move to the front of your Sienna. Look directly under the center of the hood's front edge, above the grille. You'll need to reach your hand into this gap. Feel around for the secondary safety latch mechanism. It's designed to prevent the hood from opening accidentally, even if the primary latch is released. Once you've located the secondary latch, you'll typically need to push it either to the side, usually to the left, or sometimes lift it upwards. This action fully disengages the hood from its locked position. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood completely open, revealing the engine compartment. To keep the hood safely open while you work, locate the prop rod. It's usually clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Detach the rod and insert its end into the designated slot, which is typically marked with an arrow or a small diagram. Ensure the hood is securely supported before proceeding with any maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.